switch!
Saxophone, what are you doing?
Getting you back for what you deserve! Sorry, light switch.
It's okay, no harm done.
What? You're acting strange. No comeback?
Saxophone, I've changed. Does that mean that you like me now? No amount of change can ever fix that. Oh, Saxophone.
Oh, hi, light switch.
Is there something wrong?
No.
Me too.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but do you want to work together?
Sure, I'm pretty sure I know the exit to this maze. It's right this way.
Perfect, let's go.
On, light switch, let's go.
EA, hold on tight. I'm gonna untie the knot.
Okay, let's do it. Do it faster!
Fine, I'm not that it's... Now let's fly to the sky.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh, saxophone. I was with you earlier.
What do you mean?
That mood thing you had?
Oh, right, sorry about that. I go through these random temper tantrums a lot. I didn't mean to offend you.
Oh, that's great.
Say, light switch?
Yeah? What do you want to talk about?
Your sudden change in personality. You, turned from Queenie to Leafy.
Saxophone, I just want to be nice to you. And I apologize about what happened back in high school. I truly am sorry about that.
No, it was my fault. I apologize.
I'm very glad that I'm here, Heath. It really was my fault.
Light switch, it was my fault! Get over it!
Bye-bye.
That's 54 points.
Oh, no.
You don't need logic to make a good show.
What?
Exact goes to light switch. The third one goes to toaster.
Gee, I wonder who that came from.
The fourth one goes to soccer ball. Right back at you. The fifth one goes to light switch. The sixth vote goes to mouse.
Mouse shush is people like you that drag the episode out forever.
The seventh vote goes to saxophone, as does the eighth vote. Whoop-de-doo. The ninth vote goes to light switch.
Why are the two of us in the lead? I thought we did okay.
The 10th vote goes to saxophone, and the 11th vote goes to light switch. At this point, it is impossible for lantern, toothpaste, pumpkin spice latte, orange, highlighter, wheelie, strawberry, toothbrush, or broccoli to be eliminated. As I expected! The 12th vote belongs to saxophone. Now it is impossible for toaster, soccer ball, or mouse to be eliminated. Are you kidding me? This is amazing!
Okay, who rigged the votes? Hands up.
13th vote goes to light switch. Oh no, light switch. I hope I go.
No, I hope I go.
Yeah, I hope you go too. After all, it's your fault we lost. The final vote goes to... light switch!
Well, I guess I can see why you people voted me, so farewell. I think I'll miss you, saxophone, the most of all.
Whatever, just go already.
I know you're in one of your moods, but I'm sincerely gonna miss you.
Okay then, we get it. Go away already.